Hey guys, Chad and Scott with the Knowles Woolsey Team Remax 87 Carlton today, guys. Another beauty second suite property.
Guys, we're located in the north end of Barrie today, and this is a big shout out to all you investors out there, first time buyers, anybody looking to get into the real estate market. This place is perfect. It's directly across the road from a park, minutes by foot to the school. What more can you want? Check this out. Down on the lower level of the home now. You wouldn't know it because you've got such big windows down here. It's filled with natural light. This is such a great concept for those looking to get into the real estate market. You can live on the main floor, rent out the basement, offset so much of your costs. Plus, it's turnkey, ready to go.
Guys, one thing we hear from a lot of our investors is they want a maintenance-free property. These properties have been completely refinished from top to bottom. Tenant profile as well, when you're selecting tenants, they're looking for large living spaces, large living room, large kitchen. This place has got it all. Take a peek. See the inside of the house, there's lots of room. Outside is just the same. Nice grass, beautiful mature trees. Check out 2 sheds for 2 separate units.
For more information on this legal duplex and others, check out our website.